Hello, Haley here. I am going to do something different in that today I am going to call bull on this map. It, according to my area, is way hotter than its predicted high. So screw you guys. So I think there's more purple than it shows. Right. These are the calculations for my indoor temperature. It's 116 heat index where I sit right now. That's fantastic. That's the forecast for my house. Now moving on to everybody else, right? We've got fuchsia or a color like that. Whoops. That's the heat advisories. I already know that color. Heat. Flash flood, maybe? Let's radar. Oh, that's cute. Flash flood warning, right. See, I have learned a few colors. Severe thunderstorm watch, yes, I've learned some colors. Oh, I didn't look. Warnings! We've got warnings. Anyway, moving on. This was the 5-day precipitation. It's going to be wet in some areas and not wet at all in other areas right there. And here's something I read today, because I like to read on occasion, is that apparently part of why we're having such oppressive heat, because it's not the heat, it's the humidity, is because of all the flooding is contributing to it, because we've got saturated ground, it's, spreading moisture out even more than it would have, so maybe it would be like a balmy 70 degrees heat index-wise, instead of 115, right? If it weren't for all that flooding, I don't think it would be that good, but yeah, so, stuff. And we've got major flooding down there. My goodness. Oh, let's move over. Top of Maine, that would be where we're seeing the severe thunderstorm warnings. We've got slight risk in these areas. We move on to the probabilities map. This is for wind. 15% chance up in Maine, 30% chance in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and a smidge of the South Dakota. Here's the hail outlook, 30% pretty much the same area, 15% pretty much the same area of there. Tornadoes could happen, could not, I don't know. I think there actually was a reported tornado in Indiana today already, so as you can see, they're not even part of the map, man. 5% chance as high as. Yeppers. We didn't change the map because this stuff will disappear. It's 5% chance, so if you watch the probabilities, 15% chance is where you get a yellow line for slight risk. So this is kind of hard to tell. It's probably this area. This is where we go to the probability map, and then 5% chance of any severe weather. Because it's different. Why this is different is like the lines is just non-severe thunderstorms, whereas this is lower than slight, but somewhat of a risk for severe. So that's why it's different. I don't know. Anyway, we move on. All we've got now is Tropical Storm Dora. Let's see where Dora's going. Depression. Now why is that black? I don't know. Who knows? Why is it a black depression? I don't know. And then we've got 10% chance, and as you can see, Brett and Cindy are gone, man. I don't even know what happened. But yeah, so let's see, is it still... Yeah, so it's 116 degrees in my house. So today, I'm going to go outside to cool off. How up is that? I think that's very, very... Yeah, I don't know how to censor the words. Anyway, if you like severe information, yes, you go to wickedwix.com. wickedwx.com. Put on a fan and some AC. It'd be lovely. I'd love some AC right about now. Anyway, take it easy.